Here we are at the Pikea box again, and today I'm going to show you another DIN rail adapter I've made. This time it's to get additional network connections into your Pikea projects. If you want more than one Raspberry Pi in there, you don't want to be running multiple Ethernet cables, and usually the bandwidth on an Ethernet on a Raspberry Pi is quite low. The typical applications just need some connectivity. So what I've got today is, we're just going to zoom in here and show you what we've got here is a Netgear router. This is a GS305E, the managed version. You can get a GS305 without the E, which is unmanaged. And basically we've got this adapter that it just slides in. So you can literally just slide in the router, and then we can clip that on the Pikea box. And what I always like to do is use port 1 and stick in my Ethernet that comes in to my boxes, and we'll insert the power supply into the bottom. Let's just do that with two hands. There we go. So that should have booted up now. Yes, it has. And I'm just going to pop my first Raspberry Pi into the connection port 2, and that should have lit up. Yes, it's booted up and off, it's working. So that's a great way of being able to get 4 other ports for 4 other Raspberry Pis for your Pikea projects. If you want more details of the router mount for the Netgears, then look in the comments below, and you can buy those like the other DIN rail mounted Pi project off eBay.